I broke it. Banana. Bananas make my lips hurt.
You don't even like them.
Forgot about this.
Like poking my lip. Pretend you just hold it up then.
Okay, everybody touched my lips and I went like this.
I5 sauce.
Hey, Hot Topic. In 5 seconds of summer, I have my 3 questions to ask. 5 seconds. Okay. 5 seconds of summer. If you had to pick 5 bands to listen to for the rest of your life, what 5 bands would you pick? If there's 5 seconds in summer, how many seconds would there be in winter?
Oh my gosh.
I hate banana. Oh, this is soft, squishy. Okay. Ooh. Ah! No time to play right now. I am done. I've tried this 20 million times. I am done. I only have 2 questions.
50 hours later.
If you had to pick one out of the 5 senses to pee out of. Oh my gosh, yes, I got it. To pee out of. Would you pee out of your nose? Would you pee out of your mouth? Would you pee out of your ear?
Eyes.
Or your eyes? Oh yeah. Yeah, and this was a mistake.
I love my kid.